Hello children, as you know, I was explaining chapter 3, a rupee goes a long way. Until page number 26 I have explained, and I have told you Ranji went for the fishing, but that river stream was too muddy and there was not enough water for the fish, and there was not a single fish was not there, means Ranji was not able to catch a single fish. Then he came back then he came back and saw that there was a boy who was playing a flute, and that after hearing that flute he felt very relieved. That sound was very cheerful, and then that's why the Ranji want to take that flute, and the boy also want to take that fishing rod. Then what's happened, let's see. Did you catch anything? No, said Ranji, I didn't stay very long. That the boy asked to him that did you catch any fish there? Then the Ranji replied no, because I didn't stay there for a long time. There was a long silence. Then Ranji said, it's a good rod. After hearing that, the boy was silent and the Ranji was also silent. Means there was a long silence. Means that both one was not speaking. Then Ranji said that, but it was a very good rod. I have not caught any fish, but it was a very good rod. This is a good flute, said the boy. Ranji took the flute and examined it. He put it to his lips and blew hard. There was a shrill, squeaky noise, and the startled magpie flew out of the mango tree. Not bad, said Ranji. Then the boy said that flute is also very good, and Ranji took the flute and examined. Examine means he looked it very carefully. Okay, examine means students looked at it very carefully. Ranji take that flute and he examined in, and even he put that flute to his lips and he blew hard to play the flute, and there was a shrill squeaky noise. Shrill means high and unpleasant. Shrill means students we can say high and unpleasant. Okay, high and unpleasant. And squeaky means making a very high sound, making a making a very high sound, making a very high sound. Okay, then shrill means high and unpleasant, and squeaky means making a very high sound. Then when the Ranji blew that flute, when he played that flute, and there came a very unpleasant, a very high sound came there, and startle magpie. Startle means students surprise in a sudden and unpleasant way, and magpie means a black and white bird with a long tail and a noisy cry. That bird means after hearing that sound, that bird very surprised, and he was filled with unpleasant. He was very surprised and sudden and unpleasant way, and flew away of the mango tree. And after hearing that voice, that even the bird flew away from the mango tree. Not bad, said Ranji. And but the Ranji said it's not bad, means he had played not too bad. The boy had taken the rod from Ranji and was looking it over. Not bad, he said. And the boy also took the rod from the hand of the Ranji and he looked it over. Means he also examined, he looked carefully that rod and said not bad, means that rod was not bad. Ranji hesitated no longer. Let's exchange. A trade was made. The boy took the fishing rod and went on his way. Ranji began playing the flute. The notes sounded lovely to him, but they startled people who were passing on the road. Ranji hesitated no longer, means student did not feel unsure or wait anymore. Now Ranji was very sure and he want to exchange, and that's why he suddenly make a exchange. And they made a trade. Trade means students an exchange of things or goods between people, means a business we can say, or here we can say they have made a exchange, means the Ranji has given to the flute player his rod, and the flute player has given him to his flute. Now they had made a exchange because they both were very sure. The boy took the fishing rod and went on his way. After taking that fishing rod, the boy went on his way, and Ranji began to playing the flute. But the notes sound lovely to him, but they startle. Startle, I have told you, surprise in a sudden and unpleasant way. The people was very surprised, but that surprise was not good. It was very unpleasantly they were surprised. The people who were passing from there and people who heard that sound, they filled with unpleasantly. When he came to the clock tower where the bazaar began, he sat on the low wall and blew vigorously on the flute. Vigorously means full of energy. What happened when the Ranji reached to the clock tower where the bazaar began? He sat on a low wall and started to play the flute with full of his energy. I can play better than that, said a boy who was carrying several empty milk cans. Let's see, Ranji said. Then a boy was going from there, and who was that? He was a milk boy, we can say. Why? Because he has a milk cans. By seeing the milk cans, we can say it's a milkman or milk boy who delivered the milk to every houses. He has several empty milk cans, and he said to the Ranji that I can play better than you. Then Ranji said, okay, let's see, let's play. Next page, student. The boy took the flute and played a lovely little tune. Yes, the boy took the flute and really he played a very lovely little tune, and it was really cheerful. You can have it for a rupee, said Ranji. Then suddenly Ranji said to him, if you want that flute, then you can, but you have to give me 1 rupee. I don't have any money to spare, said the boy, but you can have this necklace. He showed Ranji a pretty necklace of brightly colored stones. Then the boy said, I don't have any extra money to buy the flute with. Means I don't have the money to buy that flute. But instead of money, you can take a necklace which I have. And he sold that necklace to Ranji. And that necklace was very pretty, and it was very brightly colored, and it was made up by using a brightly colored stones. The stones are very precious, said the boy. They were found in the mountains near Tibet. Precious, we can say very important. Then the boy said to Ranji that the stones are very important, very precious, and that stones were found in the mountains near Tibet. Means we can found that stones near the mountains near the Tibet. Ranji knew the stones had little value, but they were pretty, and he was tired of the flute. They made the exchange, and the boy went off playing the flute. Ranji was about to thrust the necklace into the pocket when he noticed a girl staring at him. Her name was Koki, and she lived close to his house. Now the Ranji know very well that the stone has very little value. It is not very precious, but that necklace looks very pretty. And even the Ranji was tired of the flute also. Why? Because he cannot play a lovely tune with this flute. Okay, that's why he was very tired, and that's why he made a exchange. Now they both made a exchange that the boy who has empty milk can took that flute, and the Ranji took that necklace. And he was the and by after taking, the boy went off playing the flute. And Ranji was about to trust. Trust means student pushed. the necklace quickly, and he was going to keep that necklace into his pocket. Then he noticed that there was a girl looking, staring means gazing, we can say, that girl gazing at him, and the name of that girl was Koki. She lived close to his house, means she lived to near to Ranji, means that we can say Ranji know that girl. Hello Koki, he said. What's that you have got, Ranji? Then after seeing that girl, Ranji said to her, Hello Koki, so that the Ranji know the girl very well. Then Koki asked to him, what's that you have got, means what you have kept in your pocket? A necklace, would you like to have it? Then Ranji suddenly asked to the girl and told him, I have kept a necklace in my pocket, and would you like to have it? You want that necklace? Oh, thank you, said Koki, clapped her hands with pleasure. After hearing that, the Koki became very happy, and she suddenly replied, Thank you, and even in pleasure she clapped her hand also. 1 rupee, said Ranji. Koki became very happy. Why? Because she thought that Ranji was giving that necklace to her without taking any money. But suddenly Ranji said to her, 1 rupee. In if you want that necklace, then you have to give me 1 rupee. Oh, said Koki. She made a face, but Ranji was looking the other way and humming. Koki kept staring at the necklace. Slowly she opened a little purse, took out a shining new rupee, and held it out to Ranji. Ranji handed her the necklace. Then she ran across to the Jumna sweet shop and tossed the coin on the counter. Jalebis for a rupee, he said. After hearing said, Koki said, Oh, and made a face. Made a face means showed that she was not happy. Why? Because he have to pay the rupee for the necklace. But Ranji was looking the other way and humming. Humming means make a continuous low noise. And Koki started gazing to the necklace, means she kept staring at the necklace, means she want the necklace but she don't want to give a rupee to Ranji. But slowly she liked that necklace. That's why she opened her purse, a little purse, and he take out a shining new rupee. Means it was shining. It told us that it was a new rupee coin, and he held it out to Ranji, and she gave it to Ranji, and Ranji handed the necklace to Koki. Then he ran across to the Zumna sweet shop and tossed the coin on the counter. Means after taking that 1 rupee coin, Ranji went to the Jamuna shop and he tossed that coin on the counter, and he told the shopkeeper that jalebis for a rupee. The sweet seller studied the coin carefully and said, Always at your service, sir. He filled a paper bag with hot jalebis and handed them over. When Ranji reached the clock tower, he found Koki waiting. Then the sweet seller took that coin and examined the coin very carefully. He looked that coin very carefully, and he come to know that this is a new coin. That's why he said that at always at your service. And he filled a paper bag with jalebis and give it hot jalebis and give it to Ranji. And when after taking that jalebis, Ranji went back to the clock tower. But when he reached there, he saw that the Koki was waiting there. Koki was waiting him there. She also want to eat jalebi, we can say. Oh, I am so hungry, she said, giving him a shy smile. So they sat side by side on the low wall, and Koki helped Ranji finish the jalebis. Student, after seeing Ranji, and she was saying that, oh, I'm also hungry, and she gave a shy smile to the Ranji. She passed a smile to Ranji, and they both sat side by side on a low wall, and they Koki helped Ranji finish the jalebi. Means Koki also ate that jalebi, means they both ate that jalebis and finished that jalebis. Students, this story is adopted from A Rupee Goes a Long Way, and you can see how Ranji have bought a jalebi. That's why you can say A Rupee Goes a Long Way, means how he find a new coin and how he bought a jalebi and how he eat that jalebi. Now this chapter is over, students. Thank you.